Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Anyway, we just rolled into another property. Same thing. We always do. Anyway, we gotta hook this flat tire expired tag vehicle. I don't know if we're gonna have anybody come out on this car or not. You're doing these impounds, you never know when somebody's gonna come out. So you basically have to expect somebody to come out on every car. If you're not, you're gonna get caught off guard if you're not expecting it. This car right here with flat tire, junked up, wrecked on the doors bent, whatever, fenders tore up on it. All that stuff don't matter. Whoever owns this car, this car right here, it might be the last thing they got in the world, and they could slap out over this car. It don't matter how nice the car is. None of that stuff matters. There's people out here that are dangerous, man. That's just the way it is. If you do this kind of work, you need to always remember that, man. It don't matter what kind of preparations you make, you can't always be prepared for what's going to happen. All you can do is try. Anyway, we're going to hook this one. This car here, it's a no tagger. It's been hooked before. We've already towed this car. I'm going to have to turn around and get it. I think I can get it. We've already towed this car before, and for some reason they brought the car back over here. On that Mazda Millennia right there, they brought it back over here, no tag, and here it is. We're up on another list, so we'll back up and hook it and see what happens. The more times you tow somebody's car, or the more pissed off they get, more times you tow them. This person's gonna be mad, I'm sure. They already paid it out once. Anyway, somebody yelled out of a window or something, man. Kind of racks your nerves when somebody screams out. You know they're screaming at you. It definitely run your blood pressure up, that's for sure. When I first started towing, I didn't think this was the kind of towing I'd be doing when I first started. But over time, this company I work for, we built up a lot more contracts over time. And Atlanta has also grown in numbers here too. And that's what happens, man. Cars got to get towed. There's too many cars in Atlanta. Is the biggest issue. There's so many cars on the road, man. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna quit yapping and get on. I don't think this guy's gonna be very happy about this. Oh, that's a hard angle to pull that big truck at. Anyway, let's get it. Huh? It ain't got no tag on it.
Yeah, he knows, but he hasn't got any time to put it on. But he still works with it.
I understand. Listen, if you want to pay it out, you can. I mean, I have to load it. The office, the property man, it's not me. The property, they're towing cars. It's not me, it's the property. If you want to pay it out, you're welcome to pay it.
How much?
It's $100 to drop it. And that's not my money, that's company money. You get a receipt to show the office.
Oh, so I would...
Pay me $100 cash, or you can call it in with a card. And I give you a receipt on it. The office will know that you've been towed. That's fine. Hey, I'll write your receipt up. And
yeah, please. Do not call it.
All right, that's fine. Hey, I'm not going to run off.
Because the man said him no responsible feet and him have to tow it.
It's $100 if you want to pay it. You can pay it with card or cash.
So make him go on with it. And when it go there is how much? Same. When it goes to the, I forgot that you don't understand me. So when it goes there, it's the same money?
It's more money. It's more.
So
I need to pay the 100 because it's 175 plus 25 a day.
So carry it up to the office.
You can come to the office if you want. I mean, you can walk up there if you want to walk up there.
I'm going up there.
Well, I'm fixing. I mean, listen, I can't block the main drag. You're gonna have to pay it out. Okay. You can go up there. Listen, she's gonna give you time now because she already knows you. She knows you've been impounded now, so she'll give you more time. If you would have called ahead of time, you wouldn't have got towed. She wouldn't have towed it. She don't know whose truck it is. It ain't got a tag on it. She don't have any idea whose it was. She don't know it's your husband's because she's got no way to connect it with an apartment.
You know what happened with them up there? They don't interact with nobody down here because they're new people.
Well, I know they're new, and she's just trying to run it. I mean, anybody that called her didn't get towed. If you call, you don't get towed. That's just how it works. Anyway, I'll go ahead and offload it because I got somebody coming in. Anyway, she started to drag her feet on it. Everybody gets a sticker put on their car. First thing they do is peel the sticker off, and they think there's nobody coming back to get the car. That sticker means somebody's coming back through. That's why they put stickers on them, so they know which cars to come back after. But we got pictures of the stickers after they're put on the cars, so we know which ones we stickered. Not that truck was stickered. Anyway, we're gonna roll over here and grab another one. I think there's one more over here. We'll see what happens. See if we get it hooked.